She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a store-bought hack recipe that is quick and easy to whip up anytime, or especially for the holidays. Today we're going to go ahead and make some delicious caprese chicken bites. And if you're not familiar with caprese, it is an Italian dish of fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil. Usually add a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil, and sometimes a balsamic glaze. In this case today, we are going to be using some wonderful store-bought popcorn chicken, some fresh mozzarella balls, some cherry tomatoes, a balsamic glaze from the store, and baby spinach instead of the basil. In this case though, all of these flavors are still going to meld together so well, guys, that it is going to be similar to a caprese salad. And we're going to go ahead and add those wonderful delicious chicken bites to it, so it's going to be even better. So hopefully you guys are ready for this quick and easy recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share the video out, appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with our frozen popcorn chicken. We're going to go ahead and heat it up to the package instructions. Use any kind of brand of popcorn chicken that you like, or make your own. Once the chicken is done, just go ahead and set it aside and let it cool off for just a little bit. Here we have some cherry tomatoes. We're going to add some mozzarella balls. These are fresh mozzarella balls. You can't find those. You can chop up some mozzarella. We've got the baby spinach that we're using instead of the basil. Then with these skewers, I just went ahead and cut down some larger skewers that I had so that they were kind of a regular size for a little bite-sized snack. So we're going to go ahead and add the chicken. Then we're going to go ahead and add that mozzarella, the fresh mozzarella. Then go ahead and add your spinach, or if you do decide to use basil, go ahead and add that. And then to top it off, we're going to go ahead and use the cherry tomato. So there you have it, guys. Pretty simple. Chicken, cheese, spinach, tomato. Alright, then you want to go ahead and season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Then we're going to go ahead and add that store-bought balsamic glaze. This is one that I particularly favor. Use whatever kind you like. Just go ahead and drizzle a little bit over the top so you get that wonderful glazed layers of balsamic vinegar on there, guys. If you haven't had balsamic vinegar, definitely give it a try. It is a different taste of sauces, if you would say, but it is a little sweet and a little tangy at the same time. So look at that. There we have it, guys. Quick and easy chicken caprese salad bites. Again, we've got that crispy, crunchy chicken bite at the end with the fresh mozzarella and the spinach and the tomato. It's kind of like having a nice bite of a wonderful chicken sandwich or a chicken salad all in one bite. Everything pairs together so perfectly. If you don't want to put the glaze on there, you don't have to, but I definitely recommend you give it a try, guys. Try something different. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's quick and easy recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried caprese before. Share this video out. Appreciate that, guys. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.